If you're looking for a pull-up bar set, you can't go wrong with this. I've had this for years, I think back in my college days, and it still looks almost brand new. You just secure everything in here with the screws and the nuts and bolts that come on it, and you have foam pieces right here so that way it goes onto the wall so it doesn't damage it, and they're also really easy to grip. You can use this to put this right up and over on the door frame, or you could put this even on the ground and do push-ups with it too. You're going to put this padded side up and over, and then it's right there on the frame. And like I was saying before, the foam is here and on this side to help prevent any damage to your door frame. You then have the option of multiple grips, whether it be an underhand grip, overhand, or a narrow grip to go ahead and do your pull-ups with. It still works pretty well and it doesn't give out at all. No damage to the wall. Now if you were to put this on the ground, depending upon where your grasp is, you could go ahead and put your hand here or anywhere on this device to meet your needs. So if you're looking for a durable piece of equipment that's going to last you for years, I would definitely say check this out because once again, I've had this probably for at least 5 years now.